Hola amigos, these are my shredded tofu taquitos, flautas, that I cooked in the air fryer. Now, I wasn't going to share this video because the lighting isn't great, but well, here it goes. So to make it, it's very easy. We're going to saute onions and then we're going to shred some extra firm tofu, and then you're just going to cook it with tomatoes and chile. Now for the tortillas, I used yellow tortillas, and you want to soften those up and brush them with a little bit of oil on both sides, and that's the key to make them nice and crispy. And then you're just going to roll them up tightly, and now you can use a toothpick to pin it shut or just leave it like that and then lay the seal side down on the tray. I'm sorry, on the baking sheet. You can also fold them in half moons. And then you're just going to air fry them at 375 for about 10 to 15 minutes. You cook them for 8 minutes and then flip them over, and then just keep an eye on them until they're nice and crispy. And then you're going to serve them topped with your favorite toppings. I used my vegan crema, some shredded cabbage, some tomato and radish slices, avocado, some cotija queso, my vegan one that I have on the blog and my YouTube channel, and then your favorite salsa, and that's it. Such a quick and easy dinner. I hope you give it a try.